So for this last video, I wanted to make sure that you guys knew how to show your work. So I put some examples in here. But for this last question, you will show your work for as many questions as you can, which for this test, you really could show your work for every question. Even if you're using a calculator, you can still write on your paper what numbers you're typing into your calculator. So here's one example. And so this student, they actually were able to print out the test and they were able to write on it. And so this is not all of their work. They sent in multiple pages of their work. But this just shows that you could show the questions and then show your work off to the side. That's one way you could do it. And then another way that might be a little bit easier is to do it on notebook paper. And so having the questions labeled is really helpful. Rewriting out the questions, and that's going to help you too double check your work when you do that. So like number 3 here, they rewrote out 5a plus 3b minus 3a plus 4b plus 7c. So they wrote out the whole question and then combined like terms to get their answer. I also really like on this one, they boxed all of their answers. And what's great about this too is I've had some students that have closed out of their tests accidentally, and they have to go back in and put in all their answers. And this would be so much easier if you had a notebook paper like this that is showing you what you already got, so that way you're not having to rework problems. This is also really helpful if you accidentally click a wrong answer, but it's right on your paper. I will give you credit back for it. Just make sure you make me aware just in case I miss it. But this is how we want you guys to show your work. And these two pictures were actually taken from a webcam on a computer. You just click the little picture button that is on this question, and you can hold up your work to your webcam to be able to get a picture of it. You can also take a picture with your phone and email it to yourself and send it that way. You're also welcome to text or webmail if you absolutely can't upload it to your test, if you have trouble with that. But for the most part, hopefully at this point you're able to figure out some way to upload it to your test.